Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Ford for automotive investments, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, visit Ford's official website. Look for the section dedicated to investors. Here, you will find valuable financial information. Next, sign up for an investor account if you haven't already. This will provide you access to exclusive reports and insights. Once logged in, navigate to their financial performance section. Review recent quarterly and annual reports for key metrics. Pay attention to revenue trends and profit margins. Explore the investor presentations for upcoming strategies. Check for press releases related to new product launches or partnerships. This can significantly influence stock performance. Additionally, analyze Ford's market position within the automotive industry. Look at competitor performance as a comparative measure. Make note of any upcoming events such as earnings calls. These calls can offer insights directly from Ford's management. Consider setting price alerts for Ford stock. This will keep you informed on market changes. Review analyst ratings and projections for Ford's shares. Visit financial news sites for updates on automotive trends. Finally, consider diversifying your portfolio with other automotive investments. Stay informed and continue your research regularly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.